Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, locate the battery, which is typically found in the trunk or sometimes under the rear seat. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This is a critical safety step to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. After that, you can safely disconnect the positive terminal. Don't forget to remove any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in place. Once everything is disconnected, carefully lift out the old battery, remembering they can be quite heavy. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new battery into its designated tray, making sure it sits securely and doesn't wobble. When connecting the terminals, always attach the positive terminal first. Then, you can connect the negative terminal. Finally, secure the battery firmly with its hold-down clamps to prevent any movement while driving. This ensures a stable and reliable connection. For Audi vehicles, simply replacing the battery isn't enough. You must perform battery adaptation. This crucial step involves using a diagnostic tool to register the new battery with your car's electronic control unit. Without this, the vehicle's charging system may not function optimally, potentially shortening the new battery's life. After adaptation, test all electrical components like lights and radio to confirm everything works correctly. This ensures your Audi runs perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.